this video I'm going to make another project number 9. So project is given here, so I suggest you first to take a screenshot and try yourself, then you should start from this video directly. Don't copy this procedure, first you just try yourself. If you are not getting process, you are not understanding, then you should try this video. Okay, so let's start from the front view. So in front plane I'm going to create section, what section given in the sketch. So first of all I'm going to create a rectangle, center rectangle, and define that values, that length values is, you can see 170 mm. So define that values 170 mm, and this height values, what values, 80 mm. You can see here, just define that values. Just a second, sorry, just close it. 80 mm. Okay, so actually we don't need this close area, we need another area. So we are going to remove this cross section inside remove area. You can see what area actually we have to remove. So for that many dimensions are given, you can calculate. So inside rectangle size, what we have to define, so go for that, select corner rectangle. Okay, just go for corner rectangle, and first of all define this rectangle height values, what values we need, 30 mm, and this length values also we need 30 mm. Okay, you can see on your drawing views, front views, just you can coincident or you can apply zero distance between two entities. Okay, and this from the top line apply 25 mm values, in bottom also 25, so we no need to apply 25 mm. Okay, just trim, and then next go for next step, next cutout. So I'm going to create simple random line and just define what is the position of that line. You can see, so this is the 60 mm, and from the bottom that is the 35 mm. So go for rapid dimension and define values, what values given in your drawing. So just ignore it. Also you can define from this side or also define from this side. So I'm going according to drawing, just define this value 60 mm. The next from the bottom apply how much values, just say 35 mm. So just apply 35, and then next trim your unwanted sketches. Just trim this line also. Now you can see this is a closed loop, just extrude it, click on your sketch, go for symmetry value. Okay, so apply values. So how much you have to extrude, 66, but in symmetry you have to apply half values, because in both direction that value is going to apply. So apply 33, click OK, and you can hide this sketch. Right click on hide this sketch first. Okay, so let's see next step. What is the next step? Go for drawing. So in bottom some area that is going to cut, you can see here. So what is that area? So with 80 mm dia you have to create a circle, and then you have to cut out, and position also 60 mm. So go for bottom view, bottom plane or face, you can say, and create a random circle anyway, because that point is not going to snap. We need in center, but point is not snapping. So first of all create a circle with 80 mm dia and define position 60 mm, that is given in your drawing. Just apply 60 mm, and you have to just, you can see right now your circle can move up and down. So you have to define, you have to fix with center midpoint or center axis, you can say. So I'm going to apply 0 mm distance, or also you can coincident it. Just go for extrude and cut it. Just change your direction and go for drawing first. You see dot lines, how much, 18 mm. So till 18 mm you have to cut out. So define 18 mm values. Just go for subtract, it is already in subtract, click OK. Just hide your sketch. So this cutout is ready. You can see in top you are going to create hole. So for that go for hole option directly. Also you can create with the reference of extrude cut, but directly go for hole, go for simple hole. and then select your type. What types you need actually? Counter bore. And next specify your point. So click on that face, point will appear. Just go for rapid dimension and define position. So how much? This is the 60 mm from the right side. So go for rapid dimension from this line, define this whole position. How much? 60 mm. 60, yes. Again you have to define another one dimension from the bottom line to this. How much? This is 33 mm because that is in center, that's why. Okay, so just you can see that counter bore hole is going to create. Just define parameters. What parameters is given? So counter bore dia is 35 mm and hole dia is 30, just 35 mm, and the hole diameter just define 20 mm, and C board depth. Okay, counter bore depth, what is the values? You can see from the front view 5 mm. So just define 5 mm. Already that is 5 mm, so no need to change. Just define your depth. So in depth also we need until next, so no need to define any depth values. Click OK. You can see hole is created. Okay, so next step, next what you are going to do, you are going to create this hole. From the top view you can see actually you are going to create top hole. So dia is 16 mm. So go for a sketch. So this is simple hole, so directly we can create from the sketch, or we can cut out with the help of extrude. So take middle reference and create with, sorry, not 16 mm. Just escape and double click on that, change your value 16 mm. Okay, the next, what is the position? 15 mm. So just define position, go for rapid dimension, this edges to the center, whole center. How much? 16 mm, sorry 15 mm. Go and then just extrude cut it, change your direction. Okay, go for until next and click OK. So until next surface cutout is appear. Next option, in next you can see some radius is given. Sorry, you can see some radius is given, radius 25. Okay, so you can see here some circular shape is looking like, so you have to cut out with circular. So go for front and create a semicircle. Okay, so go for circle. In midpoint, point is not showing, so you can create anywhere. After then we will define some values, position values. So how much values you have to define? 50 mm diameter, because radius is given as a 25 mm. Now you have to define your position. So you know this is in center, so you can coincident or you can apply 0 mm distance. Okay, now we need only half cutter only. You can see dotted line in bottom only, not in top. Okay, so just also first you define this position. Actually I forgot to define. Okay, just for semicircle, so you can create a line. Actually you are going to divide, so no issue, from any point you can create. Okay, so directly you create end to end, and you can trim or unwanted lines or arcs. Okay, so now finish your sketch and then cut out, change your direction, and how much you have to cut? You can say dot line 30 mm. So till 30 mm you have to cut out. Just apply 30 mm, just go for subtract and okay, just hide this sketch. Okay, so now your model is ready. So you can see this is your model. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Just try it. So I'm coming with new videos, next videos. You can apply appearance also, whatever color you want. Okay guys, thank you so much.